Hey, take a look at these shots from Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. Just tragic. Crews spent their Friday morning combing through the area and assessing damage. There was an EF2 tornado that hit the region the night before here.
According to the National Weather Service, peak winds of that tornado reached up to 115 miles an hour, and it had a path of 8.5 miles.
Wow.
The Arkansas Division of Emergency Management says that the twister uprooted hundreds of trees, snapping utility poles and damaging numerous homes.
Wishing them a quick cleanup. But you're saying this is part of a system, right, that was moving all across?
Yeah, in fact, there was a huge tornado outbreak across parts of the Midwest. So take away all the other severe weather reports. These were the tornadoes going into past couple days, it's the last 48 hours.
Yeah.
And here's this. We had this cluster from St. Louis through Illinois, and then another cluster here from Indiana through a lot of Ohio.
Yeah.
I worked in Toledo and Cleveland, and these tornadoes were just south of there, and some of them just like decimated mobile home parks. So
does that happen very often right through there?
Do you know they get tornadoes just like us?
Yeah.
But getting an outbreak like that is like the same thing as here. It doesn't happen a lot, but when it does,
can happen. Yeah.
Yeah. And that isn't the most populated part of the state. That's probably the only silver lining out of that.